Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a science experiment, and it's making your own snow, and it's a kid experiment. So you're supposed to be doing 2 ounces of water.
Well, first you start, so we got 2 ounces of water.
And
then you're supposed to do,
And there's the snow right over there. And you were going to be doing it, putting the water and stuff. And make sure you like it, subscribe, and let's start this video. Okay.
Start this project.
So first, we need to get it up to right here.
Where?
Right here where that 2 sign is.
2 ounces. Good.
2 ounces.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. Now we have to put it on the table. And, okay. 2 ounces.
It's about there. Well, we'll take that.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Okay.
So, we have this.
And what you're supposed to do, it says,
put a spoonful of magic snow crystals in a cup.
All right, we're going to use a mason jar.
A jar.
All right, so no. First, you put it in a spoon. So you put a spoonful. So put a spoonful. That's why we have adult supervision. So a spoonful. You got to fill it up. Fill up the spoon. It's our first time doing it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool. All right. Then you put it in the mason jar. All right. What's the next step?
Simply add 2 ounces of water.
All right, so now add the water.
I'm just gonna put this right here. Now we're gonna add our whole bottle of water.
Well,
our whole
2 ounces of water.
2 ounces of water.
And it says,
watch. Did not do nothing.
Watch the snow. It says, step 3, watch it expand immediately. Did it expand?
No. Nope. Not yet.
Well, apparently that's the snow, guys.
Apparently that's the snow.
Mm-hmm.
It's not expanding that.
It did expand, I guess. And it's thicker.
What the? Wait. Hey, let me grab some.
Let's see if you pick it up.
Okay, I'll pick it up with my hands.
No. Well, I guess you can.
It's so warm.
It's warm? Okay.
Feel it.
Oh, look at that. It's getting whiter and whiter.
Feel it, warm.
It's warm? Oh, it is warm. All right, show them the snow in your hand.
Yeah, look at this.
So you just made your own homemade snow. Let's look inside.
And if I want to add more,
I
really want to add more snow. I want to see what it looks like though.
If you add more, it's just going to be bigger.
Thanks for watching this. And you can get this somewhere, but you have to ask your parents. But this is actually pretty cool. My grandma got this for Christmas, but I don't know where she got this from, but make sure you like and subscribe this video. And bye. I didn't know it was